भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीजों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है।
कैसी पथेटिक थिंकिंग है।
बहुत गलत बात है। अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry.
Ranveer Alabadia has been the center of attention lately for his controversial comments on parents' intimacy on India's Got Latent. The netizens trolled Ranveer Alabadia and Sameer Raina's India's Got Latent for their distasteful jokes. Now he has lost a significant number of followers on social media. Ranveer Alabadia, who goes by the username Beer Biceps, saw nearly 50,000 followers drop on Instagram. According to Hype Auditor, a data-driven influencer marketing platform, Beer Biceps had 45.27 lakh Instagram followers on February 9. 3 days later, on February 11, the follower count dropped to 44.80 lakh. As of January 31, 2025, Beer Biceps boasted 10.5 million subscribers. However, by February 10, the number had plummeted to 8.1 million, reflecting widespread disapproval from his audience. The incident has sparked heated debates online, with many calling for accountability and boycotts against the influencer. For the unversed, social media influencer Ranveer Alabadia recently appeared in an episode of India's Got Latent along with content creator Apurva Mukhija and comics Ashish Chanchlani and Jaspreet Singh. A short clip from the show, which is now viral, shows Mr. Alabadia asking an obscene and inappropriate question from a contestant. The remarks sparked controversy, ultimately drawing a criminal complaint against YouTubers Sameer Raina, Ranveer Alabadia, Ashish Chanchlani, Apurva Mukhija, and others. The Cyber Cell unit of the Maharashtra government has also filed a case against all the people involved from the first episode to episode 6 of India's Got Latent. The case involves 30 to 40 individuals. National Human Rights Commission member Priyank Kanungo wrote to YouTube's head of public policy in India and asked for urgent action. Not only this, multiple famous personalities and politicians also reacted to the controversy. Singer B. Parag released a video on his Instagram and expressed disapproval with the YouTuber's comments. He also cancelled his scheduled appearance on YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia's podcast.
ये हमारा इंडियन कल्चर नहीं है। किस तरीके से बातें कर रहे हो? ये कॉमेडी है। लोगों को गालियां देना, लोगों को गालियां सिखाना, ये कौन सी जनरेशन, मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि ये जनरेशन है कौन सी.
Indian actor Mukesh Khanna took to X to express his anger over the incident. He said, "It is sad that a successful YouTuber like Ranveer Alabadia made a horrible statement in a program called India's Got Latent. Something to do with parents. It enraged the whole nation. This reflects the undue liberty given today to the youth of our country to misuse the power of freedom of expression." Meanwhile, Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis also reacted on the controversy.
देखिए, मुझे भी इसकी जानकारी मिली है। मैंने अभी तक उसको फर्स्ट हैंड देखा नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीजों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है, ऐसा मुझे भी पता चला है, जो बिल्कुल गलत है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच सभी को है, लेकिन हमारी फ्रीडम वहाँ समाप्त हो जाती है जब हम किसी और के फ्रीडम पर इंक्रोच करते हैं, और इस प्रकार का इंक्रोचमेंट ये ठीक नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभिव्यक्ति, इसकी भी कोई मर्यादाएं है। हमारे समाज में हमने अश्लीलता के भी कुछ नियम तैयार किए हैं। अगर उनको कोई पार करता है तो बहुत गलत बात है। अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Goa Tourism Minister Rohan Khonte also slammed YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia. Khonte in a post on X said, "The likes of Ranveer Alabadia are the rot that's eating into our social fabric and degrading the moral values of an entire generation in the name of creative freedom, when all they create is perverted trash." On the other side, YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia has apologized for his comments and posted a video on Instagram. He apologized for his inappropriate remarks that were made in an insensitive manner during the YouTube episode of the show India's Got Latent, for which he received massive backlash. Now, the National Commission for Women has called on YouTubers Ranveer Allahabadiya, Samay Raina, and several others for questioning following the controversy surrounding India's Got Talent show.
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry. I personally had a lapse in judgment. It wasn't cool on my part. I promise to just get better. I've asked the makers of the video to remove the insensitive sections from the video. And all I can say in the end is, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me as a human being.
As per the instructions of NCW chief, a hearing has been scheduled to address the controversial statements made by the content providers on the show. The hearing will take place at the NCW office in New Delhi on February 17. What is your opinion on the matter? Let us know in the comment section below.